want to become a person, suppose given a situation where I am wrong and somebody pinpointing my wrong footage, so I should not get panicked. I should rather thank him, भाई तुम हमको याद दिलाया, मेरा गलती था. So that way we are here to do the things. Proxemics, it is related with the space. There is a word called intimate circle. Everybody, intimate circle. Say if I am a married man, so my wife and my children only are the intimate circle. That is between less than a meter. Suppose somebody has come and whispering to, everybody cannot come and whisper in my eye, no. The person only who are very close to me, they are intimate to me. And after intimate circle, there is a personal circle. That is around 1.5 meter of the circle of any person. आप किसी को भी तो यहाँ आने नहीं न दीजिएगा, वो आएगा भी तो आप हट जाइएगा. ये nature है. Because I am not comfortable. And then there is a social, circle. That is little, thoda. Then public circle. Like in a meeting, you go in Gandhi Maidan, you see from a distance, So that also gives lot of communication. We are talking of non-verbal. That 90% covers all this. Proxemics. So if person will not come close to you, somebody will come close to you. If somebody is coming close to you, what he wants to communicate, you should understand. Somebody goes away from you, that is also he wants to communicate, that you should understand. Somebody, you are talking to him, he is not looking at you, oculexics, he is avoiding you. Somebody गुस्सा से देख रहा है, तो आप समझ लीजिए वो गुस्सा है. So proxemics also through eye, through body language, through a space also, proxemics, and paralanguage. It is all known as vocalics also. And उसमें बोलता है कि this is dictated by prosody. Then your pitch. Then intonation means, prosody means a pattern of a sound or pattern of some music which is called prosody. Pitch जोर से, आस्ते, है ना. Intonation भी वही है, किस तरह से, अरे सुनात नहीं है तोरा, मान ले भोजपुरी में, है ना, डांटते हुए, वहाँ पे वो सब है. तो पैरा लैंग्वेज में भी है ना, आपको आया तो आप थोड़ा खांस दिए, मान लीजिए गांव देहात में जाइए, है ना, दूर एक बैठा है आदमी, आप जाइएगा, that is para language. He is hinting that I am here. So be careful. So many things like जूता ऐसा ऐसा कर दिया, उधर से कोई जा रहा, हमको अट्रैक्ट करना है. That's all para language. It's not language, but again it's para language. It's vocalics. आप कुछ सीटी बजाए मान लीजिए, कुछ भी ऐसा वोकल कॉर्ड से कुछ निकला, और ये है हैप्टिक. Are very sophisticated and very sensitive thing before you use it. किसी को टच करना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, किसी को टच करने से वो बहुत खुश होता है. कहाँ पे हमको टच करना है, कैसे टच करना है, हाथ पकड़ के ले जाना है, क्या करना है. So you should be very particular about all these things, because they all, what? Communicate non-verbally in a large extent. So I think we have covered little bit, we have covered little bit. And verbal communication, we have to be clarity, that 3C, 3V, and then, concise होना है, feedback आना है, we have to have feedback. Correct or not correct? Tell anybody, let us, you highlight the things which we talked till now. We will talk of development also. Anybody can highlight, no? अरे इतना देर लग रहा है क्या? So 4 words: effective communication, personality development. Personality is what is a total outcome in form of characteristic, behavior, action, reaction to various situations. Differentiating a person from another person can be a good plus can be a bad, can be mixed also, and that is developed to have the maximum potential evolved out of a person for a betterment of the company or the organization to which the person is associated with. Correct? No? So tell me, somebody should, come on here. Boliye. No, I'll be then change my, what do you call, oculexics. No, tough chehra दिखाऊंगा मैं. Tell me. हाँ, बोलिए, speak. हाँ, anyway, they are here anywhere. You tell me. आप बोलिए कहीं, wherever you are comfortable, but don't waste time.
Time maturity is a very best part of our life. Because for anyone, I know time to before.
ठीक है, थैंक यू. क्या नाम है आपका? राहुल. Rahul, one more thing, take it from me and tell everybody. We MBA, BBA, BCA student, the faculty, myself, anybody who wants to develop, who wants to become more powerful, has to have very big collection of rich and healthy words. English and Hindi. This is a management and professional school, so English I will say particularly. Otherwise, you will not be able to fluently speak. And the word, its application. Word and its application. Correct? No? And that you can always do by going through the paper and through the Google. The word which you don't understand, go through Times of India. Don't go through Hindustan Times. It's not of a high standard. Times of India or Indian Express. And any word which you are not able to understand, underline it. Go to Google, see the synonym, find few more words. Then use it to your friends or write it. Otherwise it will not happen. I am telling you. And I will force everybody when I will be on the board, mind you, be prepared. I want everybody to have 4, 5 words, synonym of one word. अभी स्नेक को क्या बोलते हैं? सरपेंट बोलते हैं. तीसरा क्या है? तो खोजिए. बोले नहीं है दुनिया में. बोले खोजिए तो पैदा कीजिए. That way one has to go. Create word. Mr. Shashi Tharoor, he creates word. We can also create words if we are passionate. So then only communication will be very effective, mind you. And then these are the things which I taught you, which I spoke to you, not taught you. Like everybody can teach himself. There is nothing required for a teacher if he is really worried about his future. If you are not worried about your future, nobody can help you, mind you. Very clearly. No, this is a new setup. Jinwani mein future nahi hai. This is all bullshit. It all depends what you are doing, what you have done today. Have you done something today which will make your today better than yesterday? Then let me know. So you can make Jinwani popular because of your own impact. Your photo will be there in the hall because this student participated in a seminar in IIM Ahmedabad and there he got a silver medal. So I don't know, here participation must be faculty and principal, all will be looking for, we will participate, how your school will become popular. simply by students and faculties, nothing else. By other basic amenities are there. Correct, no, Nisaji, tell me. Correct. And because why I came here second time? Because meet you people through this lecture. Lecture of course important, but meeting also equally important. So know this. Don't pass your one day just like that. Otherwise there is no point in studying in a management college. Tell me, आप बताइए. Somebody should speak now.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, can we say that non-verbal always happen like doing gestures and performing facial expressions, but it is also hidden inside the verbal communication or associated with the verbal communication?
You know, you are correct. While you are having a verbal communication, these all things helps you to become more complete and more clear in that communication and complete. You can use your body language effectively while communicating verbally also. See my hand. This is what? This is what? This is again that kinetics. Otherwise, हम kinetics, मेरा हाथ पैर कुछ नहीं है, खाली वो हिल रहा है. So I am not using that. मतलब ऐसे किया मतलब बहुत भीड़ है, you know, see our leader and all, PM, he says no. पूरा means he is covering the whole area by his one hand motion. That is again kinetics. Oculex, he will see eye to eye come near to you. So it is always good to use non-verbal while verbal to make it complete, make it impactful, make it effective. Maybe you don't use verbal while communicating non-verbal also. That is also a situation. Say, I'll tell you how total non-verbal can happen. Somebody asked, भाई ठंडा मिलता है? हम बोला ही नहीं, वो समझ गया. ठंडा मिलता है, तो भागो. So many things are there, you know, but wherever required, intentionally or non-intentionally, sometimes naturally it comes because it has become your habit. Say how I am doing this. I am not purposely doing it. It is instantly or naturally it is happening. So some good habits are always required as far as kinetics are concerned. You know, somebody said, if you are sitting on a chair and I am sitting like this and I'll do like this, see, it is somewhere it will go against you. Somewhere it will go for you. Like the man is bubbling with energy. Say you may be knowing Dr. J.J. Irani, he expired 1 year back. He was managing director of Tata Steel. You know, the world renowned metallurgist. He was knighthooded man. You know, Dr. J.J. Irani. You can go to Google. You people don't hear all this. These are the things you... I was also there in Tata Steel as assistant manager. He was MD. So there was a safety day and the safety flag was being hosted in the lawn. And all big officers and junior officers were there. And MD came and he had to wait for a minute because the things were not ready. So he was standing because it was a safety day. Everybody was standing in the hall. So that fellow was doing like this. बोला घास है ना थोड़ा, घास उसमें जूता he was doing with his shoes. I noticed that because that man is having so much energy, bubbling with energy. So if you are having a lot of energy, you will like to do something, talk to something, move something. Am I correct or not correct? So you have to judge, you know, that situational judgment is required. Where what has to be done which will go in your favor. And that ambience, that persons around you, they will, you know, you should be very smart wherever you go for a business, for a job, for a, you know, your some transaction of any ideas or whatever it is. So there you should first see the people and observe them, how the people are, how the societal atmosphere or ambience is, and then accordingly you should act. अभी वहां पैर हिलाना वहां गुजरात में अच्छा नहीं है. A body language differs from state to state, mind you. So one has to be very careful on this. This oculexics, kinemics, because it changes from place to place. In South, if you do certain things, that will be taken as obscene. There are certain examples. So one has to be very careful and smart enough to use to my benefit. But they are there all the time when we communicate. We cannot think of effective communication without all these, and without 3 C's, without 3 V's, without the, encoding, decoding, the medium, the source, the feedback. अभी हम आपसे पूछे, आप कुछ सवाल किए, तो वो communication complete हुआ. Otherwise, nobody will speak, no. So it will be a monologue, it will not be a dialogue and a effective communication. झा जी सही बोल रहे हैं, हम गलत बोल रहे हैं? I think हम सही बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है. अभी